For sale by consignment at Classic Auto Mall in Morgantown, Pennsylvania, just 1 hour west of Philadelphia, is this beautiful resto-mod 1964 Ford F100 long bed pickup truck that glistens in the Oxford white paint. It has 18-inch Ridler wheels with 40 series tires. The customized interior features red-stitched brown leather and a center console from a 1971 Ford LTD. Under the custom tilt hood is a clean 429 cubic inch V8 putting out over 400 horsepower. It has a Holley carburetor and 3-speed automatic transmission with a Ford 8.8-inch rear with 373 gears. Stopping power is supplied by disc brakes on all 4 corners. It has a suspension from a Crown Victoria up front with leaf springs in the back plus a stainless steel exhaust. See tons of pictures and get all the details at classicautomall.com. If you're considering buying or selling a classic or collectible vehicle, check out Classic Auto Mall. We advertise, sell, and ship worldwide while making the process safe, easy, and secure. For more information on the consignment process or to easily search our inventory of more than 1,000 cars in our massive showroom, visit us at classicautomall.com.